This vessel is a Panamax bull carrier, and she is the Panamax is the biggest size that go to the old canal locks.
At the beginning, the customer believed that there was only one shaft broken, but when we make a close inspection, we realized that the two sections of shaft were broken. We received a call from a ship management office in Abu Dhabi. They were managing a vessel that departed from Korea, and while they were passing by the Pacific, the propeller shaft got broken.
I was on vacation at the time that our client contact our company looking for a solution. Our manager, Mr. Pisa, he started sending me some email, and finally we got a working team.
We analyze our previous experience, we show evidence to the customer, we prepare a work plan for job at the anchorage and show to the customer. After some analysis, the customer said, okay, we will go ahead.
We gave them the proposal, and eventually 2 weeks after, they told us, okay, listen, we're heading to Panama.
And finally they accept. They accept the challenge to come here, to come to Panama, and try with our company, with Talleres.
Then, for sure, we took off the propeller with all a logistic system. Chain blocks, heating, hammer were needed, hydraulic toolings, deck bars with a floating crane. Then, in addition to that, we have to cut and hole in one side of the hull to take the shaft outside the vessel.
El espacio donde teníamos que trabajar dentro del barco era en cuarto de máquina, y a medida que tú avanzas en el cuarto de máquina hacia popa, tu espacio se reduce más, lo que hace muy complicado la maniobra de movilizarlos dentro y de encontrar un lugar por donde sacarlos.
As usual, ship repairs, the original scope of work changed. Now we found some additional damage. Now the shaft cannot be used, cannot be repaired. Then we took out the main tail shaft, and then once in the workshop, then same story, it cannot be used. All this job for a dry dock is normal, but when it comes to a float repairs, it's unique.
We have an extra challenge that is the COVID. Together with the vessel came the total lockdown of Panama. With this condition, was not any possibility to bring any technician from outside. All the airports here were closed.
At the end of the day, this was a very challenging. One of the crew during the repairs got infected with COVID. So that really was a big blow for the project manager, because if you have a good solid team working.
Así que en la mitad del proyecto, básicamente mi mano derecha quedó fuera del juego.
Technically, this challenge was for all the company's departments. Welding, mechanical, diving was also involved, electrical, because we have to supply generators to power up the vessel.
So I'm very proud of my people, because this job was totally done by 100% Panamanian technicians, 100% people who work day by day in our company. We take the challenge, we did the job, so I'm very proud of this. So the experience was amazing, was not easy, a lot of day, a lot of night without sleeping, very hard work. For example, the shaft, they came from Europe, It was very difficult to bring it to Panama because of all the logistics involved.
So it was a very challenging time. At the end of the day, job was done satisfactory, and well, time-wise, it was just every day was a change, and the weather, and the spares, and the additional work. But we got the vessel going again, and it was amazing to see. Even though the trust in us, we knew that we were going to do it, but during the way on this type of repairs, you get all type of thoughts. It's like a salvage situation, no? It's a salvage. All the companies, they go and they try, and they know they're going to do the job, but it's going to be a roller coaster. It's going to be a roller coaster of emotions, a roller coaster of good days, and there will be bad days. But at the end of the day, we're happy that we did it, and I'm proud of my boys, and I'm proud of my team, and I'm proud to be part of Talleres. That's what Talleres is. That's what we have. And we can plan this in short term because our business model is an ER room of a hospitals for ships.